What's up guys, welcome back with me Sneak Compare, and today I have another comparison video for you guys between two pairs of Nike Air Max 1 Premium Wabi-Sabi colorway. So let's check it out. As you can see here on the first sample, you can see pretty clear, it's pretty easy. The eyelets here slightly go down, you can see the stitching is touched, it's a little bit lower, little bit go down. And the direction of the triple XV stitching here is a little bit too sloopy on the fake one compared to the authentic. And another sample you can see here, you can see on the authentic here is placed right on the middle, is centered between the two white stitching here, whereas on the fake one is slightly to the left. And this one also you can see the stitching, the triple XV stitching here is reversed on the fake one compared to the authentic. And also the Nike shoes is a little bit sloopy, a little bit go down compared to the authentic one here. The authentic is placed right in the middle. It's look like horizontal here on the bottom. And also here the stitching here is looking messed up, looking crooked. Especially here you can see too narrow, like not like the authentic one. It's very clean, very good. And also this one, the shape of the helmet on the fake one is just straight like this, whereas on the authentic one it's a little bit rounded, it's a little bit bigger and looking rounded here. And also the lace hole here you can see, and also the eyelets, the stitching around the eyelets is on the fake one isn't following the shape of the eyelets, looking terrible, whereas on the authentic it's looking perfect. And this one also the stitching is crooked, you can see it's too narrow around here, also here, and you can see it's not centered like the authentic one. So moving to the inside part of the shoes, as you can see here, the shape of the heel low is looking just straight like this compared to the authentic here. And there is a lot more glue stain here, there is a white thing here, this is a glue stain. And also this one, the stitching on the fake one is a little bit smaller compared to the authentic one. This one also you can see stitching is crooked, this one is too narrow, this one is messed up, a lot of stitching left here. The stitching here on the heel mid is too narrow, is not consistent, and the flow is looking terrible. And looking from above here, as you can see, the middle stitching is looking too big on the fake one compared to the authentic. And this one, the middle stitching is slightly come up, it's not centered like the authentic one. You see here the Air Max, there is a 2 Air Max letter here, I don't know why. Also the Nike, the gap on the stitching here is looking wider compared to the authentic. You can see here on top of here, you can see on top here the gap is looking terrible. You can see the gap is a little bit wider on top here. Moving to the back of the shoes, there is a black dirty here, black, I don't know what it is. And this one also, the smile here, the Nike smile is slightly go down on the fake one compared to the authentic. There is a little bit gap between the mudguard and the smile here. And this one also stitching, the smile, the Nike shoes smile here is slightly go down. There is no gap here between the stitching here and the Nike shoes. This one also still the same, and also the stitching is crooked, messed up here. Alright guys, that's my explanation. I hope you understand, and if you have any question and request, just write down in the comment section below. Feel free to follow me and DM me on my Instagram. Thank you very much for watching, and see you on the next video.